Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable night mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button night light. Tap on it once and you can enable night mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. For example, you can change its intensity here, and you can set up a schedule for this mode. For example, you can set up for a custom time, or you can set up just from sunset to sunrise. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.